Hi, welcome to LOOkX YouTube channel. In this video I show you how to use the LOOkX Vitamin Cocktail Scrub. This scrub removes dead skin cells and leaves your skin with a glowing complexion. The small vitamin balls in the scrub will burst open while exfoliating for a powerful vitamin boost in the skin layers. Apply the vitamin cocktail scrub on a cleansed, slightly moist skin. Gently massage the scrub in until balls have disappeared. Remove the scrub with a washcloth and lukewarm water. The LOOkX Vitamin Scrub is suitable for all skin types. Don't forget to follow LOOkX on social media for more beauty tips and tricks.